Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our navigation details panel for our print job report, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back here to the actual tutorial, so now we are heading close to the end of all the features within this printing option. This will be the last feature we'll be looking at, and then maybe we'll run through one or two practicals just so you guys can see all of this in action, or at least most of it. We won't be covering everything in the practical, as there will be more like an overview of what you will need to do basic printing. Okay, so then when it comes to the actual details panel, or navigation details, what we can see here right at the bottom, we've got this panel which will give you general information about the current page, or the navigation, zooming, and the page numbers. So if I had to zoom in here so we can have a closer look here, we have this current page number, which is 1. This is the current page we're on, and then we have this total page number 3. Now, like with navigating the pages on top here, keep in mind if it's the first time you're opening, this will say 1 plus. We won't know how many there is yet. Same at the bottom here, it will show 1 plus. So just keep that in mind. The UI works very similar like that. Then if we head all the way to the right, we've got the zoom factor, and then it says what it's currently set as. So as you can see, we've got your whole page. So that is the current zoom factor we are on. So instead of having to go down to the arrow and trying to find out what we're at, we can simply just use this bottom thing. Now, same way, if you keep an eye on the current page, if I had to click here next, you'll see it also goes to 2, same as at the top. Same with the zoom, if currently it's on whole page. So if I had to go, let's say we zoom this to page width, you can see it has changed it at the bottom here as well. So now a lot of programs has this little details panel, which is very handy. So you can quickly see what's happening while you're working. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the navigation details. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here on top to request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.